We have a RSI divergence right now. Today, I'm going to give you the insights. Can we buy more now? Is it the market cycle bottom right now? Today, I'm going to give you the insights. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more, learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. We look at weekly chart. So you can see the RSI is going up. Is it a divergence? Did we just hit the market bottom? This is the main question. But if you look clearly, this is not really a divergence because basically the stop price is going the same move as the RSI. So this is traditional method. So you see here, the RSI go up, the BTC price go up. When the RSI go down, the BTC price go down. Then they go up again. They follow the same move. So this is not a divergence. Okay, this is not a divergence. They can just tell, hey, the momentum, they go up. But this is not divergence. If we look to our history, the left side here, the last market cycle bottom, we have something very similar. So we look here. This is RSI. I want to use traditional method to show you the trick first. So RSI go up, they go up. When the market cycle when the RSI go down, the price go down as well. So this is not um, divergence. Okay. The same thing is right now we are doing exactly the same pattern. We just hit this upper trend line. We just hit this upper trend line, and you see we are doing this right now. We are doing this right now. So after this, many people think this is the market cycle bottom, but the fact is this is not. They come back down. They touch again, then they come down again. Okay, the real starting point is not really here. The real bottom is here, but the start point is not here. You see, here they hit the market cycle bottom, but it takes them a while to go up, right? The whole thing here, the whole month, more than 1 month, almost 2 months here, they are just doing sideways, very silently, not moving a lot. They're just building their chips and then they go up. They're doing exactly the same pattern. You see? So now I'm going to use my indicator. So how to save your time? So the first thing we look at is the market, the YM club long. Okay, we are still going downward. This is still going downward. When we look at the market cycle last time, the minimum, they need to go above the blue line first, right? They even go down again. If we look at here, okay, this is the first buy point, right? This point, first buy point. But the blue line is not yet upward. So I told you many times, when the blue line is not yet upward, this is not all in points. Okay, the second buy point is here. We still above the blue, the red change the direction. Okay, then they go up, then the blue change direction. This is the market cycle bottom. This is the point from bearish to bullish. Okay, so this is the buy point here. Now we are quite far from the blue. We are really far from the blue. Another thing I want to say I want to show you how similar they are. When we look at YM chippers here, YM chippers, when we hit the upper trend line here, the YM chippers here, they also have one red candle go above the purple. You see here, this candle? When I enlarge it, this candle, when we just hit the market cycle, the downward trend line, the upper line, this also go above the purple line, but the purple is still going downward. The money is still going out. Okay, when we look at here, the money is still going out, this average, right? But we also have one red candle go above this purple line. So something you need to be aware is the buy point here. Okay, so again, we are far away from the blue and we don't have a up signal yet. If we look, we have a down, we don't have an up yet. You can catch the rebound, but this is not a real wave up yet. This is the up. You see the wave so long. I want to share with you don't go all in right now. If you want to catch the rebounds, it's totally fine, but don't go all in. This is not the market cycle bottom. Last time I also mentioned, we analyze it with the monthly chart. We are quite far away from the time rise. We are quite far away from the market bottom, okay? And it seems we are copying this because it's very similar. It's extremely similar. If this is the way, they will track more people come in here and then they will go down again. Okay? They will go down again according to this chart. According to this chart, we don't have any buy point for weekly chart unless you only catch the rebounds. It's fine. How to sell? Sell with the red line. When they drop below the red line, is the point for you to sell if you catch the rebounds here. Okay? So last video I mentioned monthly chart. How to see this is bottom? Look at YM chippers. One of the way is look at YM chippers. Every time they hit the market bottom, they hit this green line. They hit this green line. They hit this green line. They hit not yet this green line. We are quite far away. Is it possible they change this time? Yes, it's possible. So another signal is the red signal. When the red change the direction, this is the market bottom for monthly chart. This is for investor, not trader, but investor to come in. If you like to long hold stock or coins, this is the point to come in. This is the point to come in. Even this is the point to come in. But the drop below the red, you get your capital out. Okay? When they change the direction, you sell everything. That's it. Same here. You buy here, you reduce here, you sell everything here. Is it clear? Here. Buy here, hold. Here. You sell, you reduce your capital here. You get your capital out, you get your capital out. You sell everything here. Okay? So now for investor, no point to buy in right now. Okay? For trader, yes, you can use weekly chart. What's the difference between trader and investor? Investor, they long hold very long time. They hold for the market cycle. But if you're a swing trader or short-term trader, you buy low, sell high. You make the profit and run. You're not looking at the market cycle. Okay, so this is the main difference. So weekly chart, you have opportunity, but again, we under this blue line, this is for the short-term hold only. When they drop below the red, you sell. Okay, and when we look at again, we don't have an up signal here yet, so you should reduce your position. And another daily chart, if you're short-term trader, okay, if you're short-term trader, we have buy point here. The first buy point, they go above the blue, the white IM big buy above zero, and YM chippers go above, like the turning upward and above this purple line. So it's time to buy, to add a position. And we have a down signal here. So you reduce here, okay? You reduce here, and we touch the blue again. This is another buy point, not now, but on 5th of April, 5th of April, okay? And what happened right now, we don't have a down yet, but we did drop below this red. We did drop. I mean, the market is getting weak. So if you use blue light, if you want to hold it for a bit longer, then you can hold it. When they drop below the red, the blue, you buy with the blue. Now we buy with both strategy, blue and red. So it's up to you. You can reduce here, or you sell when the red change that direction, change to downward. This is short-term trader strategy. If you like to long hold longer, then you use blue line to sell. When they drop below the blue, you reduce. When the blue change direction, you have to sell everything. Is it clear? So this is a buy-sell strategy, very easy. I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. Learn before you earn. This is only for education purpose. We don't recommend any trade. Click like right now. See you next time. Bye.